Hello and welcome back again. In the last video we have talked about how the list works and what basically list is. I have created a list in front of you and I have showed you how the list functionality works, and I have showed you how to insert data, how to remove data, and how to extend the value from the another list. So you can go and check out that video, and in this video we will talk about tuple. Someone call it tuple, both are same thing. So it's a collection of a data which is ordered and unchangeable. What that does mean. So what is unchangeable here? So this particular word is called immutable. So immutable is something that if you add something on that, you can't change the data from there. So basically, let me show you an example here. I have created a tuple called apple, banana and cherry. So if I try to print it, I have an apple, I have banana, and I have cherry here. So, and as you can see that if I try to append something here, if I try to append berry here, so I can't append because attribute doesn't allow you to add or delete. If I want to delete apple from here, tuple doesn't allow me to delete anything from the tuple side. So in order to do so, we have to convert that tuple into a list. So we have used list bracket my tuple, and I have converted my tuple into a list, and I have stored in x variable. And now I want to insert x dot insert at the second position, insert mango, right? So I have run this command and I have apple in the second position, 0 1, and second position is this. After apple, banana, I have a mango and cherry. So and now like if I want to delete anything, so it's a simple command, right? X dot pop or remove. You can use this remove also. And if I want to use remove mango, as you can see that I have removed mango. Let me show you. Okay, x. Okay, then okay, I have removed. We don't have mango here. This dot remove x is not in the list. Okay, x dot remove. Let me do another thing like apple. You can see that I have successfully run this command, and let me add another cell for you guys and print x. As you can see here we have only banana and cherry, and that was giving me error because I have already removed mango and I'm again trying to remove the mango, so it was giving me the error. And now we have banana, we have cherry, we have successfully removed apple and mango. So yeah, this all for this video. We'll meet you in the next video by another concept called set. So yeah, thank you and have a nice day to all. Bye.